Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to hide messages in Google Messages. In the latest version of Google Messages, while there is no direct hide feature, you can manage your conversation's visibility using the archive function. This allows you to clean up your inbox without deleting important conversations. So the first thing to do is to launch the Google Messages app on your Android device, which I've done right here. In your list of conversations, press and hold the chat that you want to hide. Then tap the archive icon, a box with a downward arrow at the top of the screen. The conversation will move to the archive folder, removing it from your main inbox as it is right here. How can you access archived conversations? Tap on your profile picture or initial at the top right corner. Then go ahead and select Archived to view all archived conversations. Archived conversations will appear in your inbox if a new message is received in that thread. To prevent this, you can consider muting the conversation. On archive. So to mute the conversation, tap on the conversation you want to mute. Then tap the three dots icon in the top right corner. Okay, I'm going to open up this conversation. So I've opened it up. So hold down the conversation to highlight. Tap the three dots menu in the top right corner. Select view details. Okay, there's a view details. Then, so from view details, you can go ahead and check the details of the conversation. So scroll all the way back to the chat itself, then select details. Once you select details, click on notification. Then toggle on notification as allowed to mute the conversation. This will prevent notifications from appearing for new messages in this thread. You can just make it silent. You can turn it on to silent so that there'll be no notifications for this particular conversation. Now that is how it works. You can also use third-party apps for enhanced privacy. All right. So for more robust privacy features, consider using third-party apps designed to hide messages. You can use Calculator Pro Plus, which is disguised as a calculator, but this app hides messages behind a PIN-protected interface. You can also get Messages, SMS, and Private Chat, which offers a private chat feature with PIN protection. These apps provide additional layers of security for your private conversations. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. Hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.